Hello there. In this video you will able to compute the total interest in a given period at the same time the total payment amount. If our data are only principal amount, terms or tenor and interest rate. Let's have our principal amount 1 million. Then, our term or tenor will be 1 year or 12 months. And lastly, interest rate is at 8%. Now, let's make our amortization table. Let's start with our month column. We will indicate the number of months in a given year. Next, is the principal balance column, the principal payments, interest payments, and last our monthly amortization column. Then let's fill up our table. Let's start with the number of months, the equivalent of 1 year is 12 months. Then let's have a formula for our principal balance. For this first row the formula will be from 1 million minus our first month principal payment. Next our principal payment formula will be from monthly amortization amount deducted by our interest payment for the first month. Then our interest payment will be from principal of 1 million multiplied by the annual rate divided by 12. Let's make a reference to the monthly amortization based from our first month. On the second month, we will make a new formula which is slightly different from above. With this formula, we will be able to copy it down to the last month. So let's start again with the principal balance equals principal balance from the previous month minus the principal payment of the current month. Next, the principal payment shall have the same formula from above or just copy it. Third, our interest payment formula shall be previous month principal balance. Multiply by the annual rate divided by 12. Please don't forget to lock your cell reference for the annual rate and monthly amortization. Once you have filled up all of the second month, copy it and paste down to the last month of this table. Now, we need to get the monthly amortization based on the available assumptions. We can get it by using the goal seek function. You can find it by going to the Data tab. Then select the What If analysis. Then next choose Goal Seek. There are 3 fields you need to fill up. Let's encode each required information one by one. First select Set Cell. Since the term or tenor are good for 12 months, we now select Cell B18 or the 12th month principal balance. Then next set to value field to 0. It means by the end of this month we already paid up all the principal balance. How do we achieve? We achieve that by changing, which is the next field, our monthly amortization, which in this case is on cell E7. Once done, click OK, then you will be prompted again, just click again OK. By this time you already have all your data in computing the total interest and total payables. I hope this data will be able you to compare rates on various financial institutions and you get the best competitive rate. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you in any way, please like and subscribe for us to make a new informative videos.